Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to class 14 in the lecture series on writing an effective resume. In this video, we shall try to understand what personal information is important on a resume and what personal information will an interviewer look for on a candidate's resume. First of all, let us try to understand what is a personal information. But when we defined a resume during the starting videos of this lecture series, we defined resume as a formal document which only holds professional information. Then why is this personal information important? Well, there is a role for this personal information to play. That is, based on this personal information, an interviewer will decide where they can fix a job location for the candidate, and this helps interviewer or the hiring managers to contact the applicant during the recruitment process. So this is very important information, and till you get selected, this is going to have a role. Now, what information you can add on your resume? What personal information you can add? Well, name is mandatory. Please mention your name in full. Mobile number which you use personally should be mentioned. Professional email ID should be mentioned. Please do not use the mail ID which you use for other purposes, like other personal purposes like social networking, etc. Better you mention LinkedIn username URL if you are actively updating, if you keep your LinkedIn profiles updated. You can also add any other professional body membership details or account details like IST membership or any other platforms like GitHub, etc. If you have done decent amount of contribution being a part of that professional body. You can also mention languages that you can speak. Multilingual people will be respected in an interview and will be given chance, because India being a multicultural, diverse nation, it is very important for us to understand all local languages. Let's say if we go to Chennai to work, it is very important to understand Tamil, or if we go to Bangalore to work, it is very important to understand basic Kannada. Preference will be given to those. This is not mandatory though, and if you have passport, yes, do mention details of your passport, or just say your passport is available. And there is some information which you have to avoid. These are all optional. These will have very less role to play on a resume. These will grab very less attention of interviewer. Well, date of birth, gender information, nationality, religion, current salary if you are already working somewhere, marital status, health status, driving license details. These are all optional things. You please avoid writing this information on your resume, because it will make your resume more clumsy. Resume is actually a brief description of candidate information, candidate professional information. All these things are not exactly professional, and they are very personal. If they really want any of these information, they will definitely ask, but unless they ask, please do not mention all these things. Of course, postal address also comes into this list. If they ask for, you can mention your postal address. If they don't ask for, please don't mention it there. And why? Because there is, there can be some kind of a discrimination during the interview based on any of these information, any information provided. It cannot be guaranteed, and this is of not any interest of the employer. So candidate should understand why you mention whatever you mention on the resume. So it is always better to avoid the less important information from your resume. That's it in this video, guys. In the next video, we'll try to understand what is declaration and why declaration is important, and what is a signature on a resume. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to us for more such information. Thank you.